Pitman Shorthand exercise 22. Be ready. Start. Why do you think he was aware of the likely failure of the firm? I thank you for the tube of color which I think should be all right. They deny they were at the tower at the time of the fire. I think you owe the head an apology for the way you hurried away on Monday. If he were aware of the date, he would, I think, have come with us. Kenneth Doyle, whose view all of us share, wrote, say he would arrive at 5. I think too much time was given to the topic. What do you think? Stop.